I lived here obviously for a year at Icon, and this is just like a small point, but I never had my license, so it was very difficult to just live. But I love New York. I love taking the subway. I love, there's so much inspiration there. You can walk down the street and just see 1,000 different facial expressions, and I feel like I really gain a lot of inspiration just from walking around. It's one of the reasons why I have such a diverse taste in music and why I can't really choose what genre my music lands in, because there's so much going on there at all times. That's kind of how I got into electronic music, is like the Brooklyn rave scene.
It's good in the dark, good in the dark, but it's your lover's life.
Mindchatter was never on the horizon, to be honest. I was gonna be a producer. I came out here to get my production chops. I've always been making music on my computer, making remixes and beats and stuff from a really young age. And then when I got to Icon, I started really writing my own music and singing. It was kind of out of nowhere for me. And yeah, I credit a lot to the school. If I hadn't put myself in that environment, I probably wouldn't have experimented with my voice, and I probably wouldn't be sitting here today. Usually the way I write is I start with the instrumental, and I make the beat good enough so I think that I could sing on it. And the acoustic stuff is the opposite. I just try and get to creating a song that's good enough with just my voice. And I think Icon kind of pushed everyone to do that as well in the songwriting class. I remember you could just use just the piano and vocals. I throw out 90% of what I make. If I'm even showing anything to someone, then I think that it's good enough to have passed the bar on the majority of stuff that I make. And then if I can sit in a room and listen to my music with other people without really cringing very hard, then I'll think about putting it out. That's kind of the test.
Take me over.
There are definitely dips. I think the best thing to do is to just keep working every time you're in a dip. It's always the first thing that you make that you like after the dip is over is usually a breakthrough piece, and it's something that you're so happy that you had the dip.
Love is a murderer, love is a murderer, but if she calls you tonight, everything is alright.
I would say don't do it unless you're completely obsessed and that you can't think about anything else. I think that's all you need. That's the one prerequisite for any success in the creative space, is you just have to be very, very passionate about it.